हमारे दुश्मन कौन हो सकते हैं? हम तो दुनिया में किसी को दुश्मन बनाना नहीं चाहते, हम किसी के दुश्मन बनना नहीं चाहते, वो मेरे स्वराज की व्याख्या बन जाती है।
Do or die, two words that shook the earth on August 8, 1942 and still beat in every Indian heart. On this day, Gandhi launched the Quit India movement to make the British leave India at once. No small reforms, just freedom or death. Was this a carefully laid out plan or a sudden burst of anger? And why does its spirit still inspire Indians today? By 1942, India had had enough. It was dragged into a global war it never chose and then offered dominion status after the war, a proposal that felt like an insult. As Hitler advanced and Japan loomed near India's borders, Britain spoke of liberty but refused to practice in its own colony. At this moment, Gandhi, with his unmatched moral force, knew that time had come to turn pain into protest. The British responded with ruthless force. More than thousands of Indians were thrown behind bars. Newspapers were silenced. Peaceful protesters were lathi-charged. Gandhi himself was imprisoned. And there, in the shadow of captivity, his beloved Kasturba breathed her last. Yet, even though the movement looked defeated, it had already done something powerful. Millions had stood up in unity, shouting the same message. They showed the British and the world that India could no longer be controlled by fear or force. Quit India wasn't about winning a war. It was about changing a mindset. It broke the chains of fear, ended false hopes, and made one thing clear. India would no longer beg for freedom. It would claim it. But Gandhi's question wasn't only for the British. It was for us. He asked, have the British quit India or have we quit our duty to India? The true legacy of 1942 is, freedom isn't won just once. Every generation must protect it, renew it with vigilance, responsibility, and action.